At sana naman po tayo ay naririnig ng maayos. Please let me know if we are doing really well. Type number 1 and please type I love you 3,000. Yan. Magandang gabi before ako mag-play ng mga videos. Sige nga, can you guys please confirm kung medyo malinis, maayos? Okay ba? Nag-ground ba? Okay ba? Ano bang pakiramdam mo ngayon? Okay ba yung video? Please let me know. Pag binabati ko yung mga naka-live ngayon, si New Hope Have Faith, si Sweet, si G, si Lem TV. Okay, very good ang ating video today. Very, very good. Tingnan po natin kung ito ay merong sound. I love you 3,000 guys. Let's officially start our program for today. Ayun, wala na naman akong audio. Just give me a second. Dapat okay ang audio natin today. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, it looks like maayos naman ang ating audio. Just give me a second. We should be good anytime this. Okay, yun. Okay. Let me try one more time. One more time po. Teka lang po ulit. Let me try because tayo po ay bumili ng bagong V8 at dapat tayo ay okay, no? Just give me a second, guys. Relax lang, kalma, kumalma tayo. Kalma tayo. Okay, just give me a second. One more time. Okay, I really need to figure out something here, no? Yung audio o yung boses ng puyat. Uy, teka lang guys. Medyo meron ako kailangan i-play dito. I need to have a source of video. No? So just let me try to figure out. Dapat meron to. Just give me a second here. Okay. Just give me audio input. I need to have an audio input. Just give me a second. There you go. There you go. Teka lang po. Wait. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Let me try it one more time. Hello. Yun, let me try it one more time, guys. Okay, I'm just trying to do. Okay. Okay, I think I need to change my audio. Just give me a second, no? Pasensya na po, one more time. Love you 3,000.
And Habak 3000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.
Yamo 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Minor's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, huwag ka mafu-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. Now, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, never, ever, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasadilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday, 3 to 4 videos ko sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko. Tapos nilanood ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Hi, I'm Sheila and I'm an OFW from Thailand. I can't remember exactly how I discovered Coach Miranda's channel, but I've been a subscriber since June. I didn't really have a trading system before, and since I have a day job, pag sumisilip ako sa charts tapos may mga lumilipad na coins, papasukin ko agad siya with high leverage. Minsan nananalo, pero pag natatalo, ubos lahat. So, nag-binge watch ako ng videos ni Coach and then enrolled sa beginner's class. One of the most aha moments for me is yung fib talaga. Ang galing ng pagka-explain ni Coach sa kanya. Tapos, super powerful and amazing niya for bounce, breakout, breakdown, at saka mga untog na areas. So, after the class, Superman syndrome nga, ang hirap niyang i-control. So, tuloy-tuloy pa din ako. Until one day, I've decided na this has to stop. So, I stopped, took a break, reflect, and continue on watching the life of Coach. So, nag-announce si Coach about the mentoring session, and then I decided to give it another try. Naglagay ako ng certain amount of money and told myself na, okay, this is what I'm willing to lose. So, it's either i-superman ko siya or pag-aralan ko ng mabuti yung system para mapalaki ko siya. Then, nag-start ang mentoring session ko with Sir Luke. First, tinulungan niya ako kung anong trade setups works best for me. And then, inaral ko siya. Throughout the sessions, I kept on asking questions and ginaid niya talaga ako and showed me my blind spots. So, I'm not that confident yet. Kakabawi ko lang sa losses ko, but soon I will be profitable too. What made Coach Miranda stand out and different from others, beside him teaching us technical and fundamental analysis, I can feel how he really cares and wants us to learn. More on his culture of malasakit and ang pag-real talk niya lagi sa atin. So, don't give up and invest on knowledge. Continue watching the videos of Coach and his life at ang number one and most important talaga is discipline. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Coach Miranda Miner, Sir Luke, and to the other mentors. Just keep on learning, and I love you 3,000, Miranda.
Alright, ayun. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At naku, napaka-active ng chatroom ah. Ano mga pinag-uusapan nyo dyan? Alright, okay. So our topic for today is about ask me anything about small cap coins at kung ano-ano pa. No? So we're gonna be discussing that today. Anyways, I will also have tayo po ay magdi-discuss din ng mga insights natin at mga kung ano-ano pang topic na may kinalaman sa sa prepare mo this particular Christmas season. No, we're gonna be discussing that a lot of that, no. Okay. So, before that, let's just try to review the prices of our top coins as of today. Okay, tapos punta na tayo doon sa ating small cap AMA. Tapos ako doon ay magcha-chart, no? Tingnan natin kung tapos na ba ang delubyo, no? Ngayon, ilang beses ko na sinasabi sa inyo, defensive wallet strategy lang po lagi, no? Defensive wallet strategy lang po tayo. Okay? Just give me a second, guys. Okay, I need to open the aircon. No, all right. Okay. So, defensive wallet strategy tayo, huwag nang kakalimutan ha. All right. Let's do this. All right. Bitcoin is currently at 48,982. Tumuntong na ulit ng 49,000. It's currently at 3.02 positive as of 24 hours. Pero as I've said, humataw pa rin ng negative 9% for the past 7 days. Almost 10% ang hinataw pababa, no? Ethereum at 4151 at 4.65 positive. Binance Coin 565, currently at 2.12. Ethereum market capitalization is currently at $75 billion. Solana is 192 at negative 1.58 as we speak. Cardano at 1.35. Napaka-oversold nito at negative 2.48. USDC coin currently at 40 billion. Tumaas na, sobrang taas na ng market cap ng USDC. Oh. Grabe, nag-32 billion lang to before. Actually, naalala ko nung September, 25 billion lang to. Ngayon, almost 40 billion. Napapansin ko, ang USDC coin halos kalahati na po ng Tether in a shorter amount of time. So that's an indication na USDC is becoming more of a better stable coin, no? Um, XRP currently at 79 cents a piece. It's currently at 1.51 negative on 7 days and 30 days, katulad ng ibang coin. Polkadot currently at 27.79 at negative 2.29. Luna, number 10 na po, at $70 at 19.62. Siya lang yung humataw pataas. Very good. Dogecoin at 0.1705, 1.38. AVAX currently at $88 at 2.04 negative. Shiba Inu, bagsak at 36.59 at 0.11%. CRO rank number 14 at 58 cents a piece. Bumaba na po yan from 0.71. Pero rank number 14 pa rin. Matic at rank number 15, 2.11, 13.21 yan. Let's go with Litecoin at 153.25, currently at 66 or 0.6% negative. Algorand at 1.68 at positive 7.54. Uni currently flat at 16.61. It's 0.9% negative for the past 24 hours. Chainlink po ay 19.28 at negative 2.05. Let's look for Tron. Tron, it's at 0.08 cents a piece at 57 or 0.5%. Let's go with Axie, $113 at 29 or 0.2% for the past 24 hours na positive. Mana, naging positive na ng 6.82 at $3.69 each. XLM at 26 cents a piece at negative 4.73. EGLD or LRON is at $309, positive 1.81. FTX token 4368 at 1.12. VET at 0.09 at negative 2.42. Let's look for Philcoin or Filecoin 3876 negative 1.78. HBAR at 27 cents at positive 2.83. Ethereum Classic at 3819 positive 3.4%. Sand, umakyat na po ng 2.51, currently at $5.45. Theta at 4.74, rank number 39, negative 1.95 for the past 24 hours. Near Protocol, 752, 3.17% negative. Phantom, positive 1.59, currently negative 1.07. Monero, $198, negative 1.28. Gala, 50 cents a piece, currently at positive 13.7. Let's look for the other sikat na coins. Okay, EOS, 2.99, 1.36 negative. AAV, 193 at 79, 0.7%. So, unang-una, ang aking observation sa market today, of course, bumaba na po, no? Negative 2.28 trillion na po ang global market capitalization. Umangat po kahapon versus pahapon. Ito ay positive 2.79%. Pero one of the things na kailangan kong isipin ninyo is kapag nakakita kayo ng berde sa 24 hours at sobrang pangit ng 7 days, ang tawag dyan, base effect. Sulat niya yan, base effect. When you say base effect, what does that mean is that yung pinanggalingan niyang data comparison is sobrang baba. No, merong ganong phenomena, base effect, kung saan you don't necessarily celebrate, oy, positive 2.74 na si Bitcoin, oy, positive 4.28 na si Ethereum. You don't celebrate that simply because yung pinanggalingan nila na araw is extremely negative. Almost negative, actually almost 1/5 ang binaba. In fact, Bitcoin coming from 52 humataw ng 41, that's almost almost 1/5 or 20% of the price bumaba, no? Nagkaroon ng sobrang volatility. 20% yung price niya. So, when we enter, nakita mo yung 30 days dyan, no? Negative 20.67 because almost 20% of the price of the coin was reduced. No? So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Maraming interpretation yan. Pwedeng isipin ng mga tao, it's already negative 20% or it's already on 20% discount. Discounted ang Bitcoin ng 20%. No? Ethereum discounted 8.18%. Pwede mong i-interpret ng ganun yan. You can interpret it that way. But as a trader, pag tumingin kayo sa inyong wallet or sa inyong portfolio, ayokong iisipin ninyo na, oy, parang green na ulit yung market, nagre-recover na. Mukhang aabot na ito ng 50,000 or ng 53,000. Wag kayong ganun, guys. Don't be as optimistic as I've said, no, at this point, no, because antayin po natin na magkaroon ng confirmation. So I will quickly go to Bitcoin. I'll quickly go to Bitcoin, guys. At pakikita I will, before we go to the small cap coins, I'm going to chart real quick para makita natin lahat. I'm going to do a 1-day charting at this point. Let me just try to open my other chart para makita po natin. Yan. Okay, just give me a second, guys. I-open ko lang yung ating big chart para so we can actually do some charting at this point. Let's try to open Bitcoin. Okay. So, kumuha tayo ng 1 day at this point, no? Kuha tayo ng 1 day. Okay, on a daily time frame, let me just try to open the indicators as well, RSI. And again, mamaya meron tayong mga small cap discussions, no? Okay, RSI at 30 is at okay, it's actually still downwards, no? It's currently on this candle, it's currently reading at 38.63 ang RSI natin. And gumawa tayo ng Fibonacci here. Okay? All right. Ito yung sinasabi natin, guys, no? Okay. All right. Let's all do this together. Okay. So, ito ay bumaba na on a daily candle. I'm looking at the daily candle right now. Ito ay bumaba na ng almost 40 to 266. Umataw doon, sinubukang saluhin ng 618 area. Hindi nagtapos yung candle within the 618 area. Sinubukan niyang iangat agad. Ito na yung sinasabi natin, no? So, makikita mo dito that the market is starting to open above the previous 618 area, no? Ito ay nagsisimula na mag-open, pero si MACD, it's still on a red zone, no? So, if you are not yet into trading for long-term positions, wag muna. Wag muna because this market will be consolidating or ranging within this territory. Sulat ko sa inyo, no? Within this territory, pwede siyang mag-range. Let's try to make this yellow as well. Yan. So this will try to range within this area. So habang naghahanap yan, habang nagko-consolidate yan, it will try to look for a common support and bounce area, no? Common support and resistance area. So, pag ganito, ang aantayin na lang natin dito muna para tayo ay magkaroon ng malaki-laking kitaan is going to be this area. No? We need to be able to look for this area as your area of waiting. Ito yung waiting area natin. Ano? Sulat po natin yan. It's gonna be our waiting area. Yung waiting zone mo yan, nagkaroon na ng confirmation, okay? Nagkaroon na ng confirmation and within this waiting area, okay? And nakita naman natin dito na bumuo na po ito ng isa pang candle dito, no? So there's a one candle. This is your prison break candle, no? This is your prison break candle. And we're waiting for one more confirmation candle on a daytime frame. And we're waiting for your MACD to finally signal a green bullish cross para po ito ay umakyat na. So, what does this mean, guys? What does this mean is that if we're going to be looking at the market, Kung kayo ay maglalagay ng malaking pera, malaking posisyon, ang akin pong advice sa inyo is that please do not put a lot of money yet in this market. No, let's be very, very defensive. Okay? A matter of fact, bumubuo na naman ang napakalaking red line um, Bitcoin, no? So for the most part, ito ay potentially bumaba pa or maging volatile ulit. So within this waiting area po yung ating susundan. Ngayon, ang magandang pasok dito is you have a confirmation candle and a MACD bullish cross, and that's gonna be a really good sign that the market is starting to recover. Okay? That's gonna be a sign, sulat ninyo yan, a sign that the market has recovered is when you see the cross of MACD on a day time frame and confirmation candle. Ngayon, this is a disclaimer. Disclaimer, no? Normally, kapag sinasabi ng mga research analysts, sinasabi nila hindi pa tapos ang isang delubyo kung hindi pa 2 or 3 more days nag-open above, no, nag-open above the former lower low line or support line. So, katulad din yan ng sinasabi natin na yung confirmation candle, technically, ito yung pangalawang araw na nag-open yung market above the previous 44,000 or 42,000 crash. No? So, inaantay lang natin kumalma yung merkado. Pero one of the things na gusto kong malaman ninyo guys is that nag-tweet tayo kanina, basahin natin yung tweet ko. Let's look for my tweet kanina. At sinabi po natin dito sa tweet kanina, this one basahin natin, no? This coming week, the analysts are expecting the headline CPI number to reach at 6.7%, no, which would be the highest rate since 1982. Okay? What do you mean by CPI? No? What do you mean by CPI? What does that mean from an investment perspective? What does that mean? Ito ba ay something na pwede nating gamitin na metric, no, when we're investing? Okay, CPI is a consumer price index, no? Ito ay nangangahulugan, ito yung kumbaga overall average o yung overall tawag dito average in English, no? Average ng isang list of goods and services including transportation, food, and medical care. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang CPI mo is napakataas, ibig sabihin nito, ang iyong inflation or inflation is really, really high. So, ilalabas nila itong resulta na ito on Friday at it can create another havoc sa market. Ilalabas nila yan, no? So, at an even higher rate could rattle investors further and reset central bank expectations. Okay. So pag tumataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin, ang ginagawa ng market is that, ang ginagawa ng Federal and then the Central Bank is tinataas nila ang interest rates. Bakit? Para subukang hindi umutang ang mga tao. Bakit? Kasi ang mga tao pag umuutang, ang ekonomiya gumaganda. Ang ekonomiya, ang purchasing mo, ang economy mo umiikot. Kapag mataas ang interest rates, at dahil mataas ang presyo ng mga goods, ang ginagawa ng mataas na interest rates, hindi niya pinipigilan niyo yung pag-overheat ng market. Kasi nga, yung pangungutang or loans is a sign of a market na gustong bumili, no? So ang ginagawa ng Federal Reserve at ng Central Bank is that at ng mga ekonomista, sinataas nila yung interest rate para pahinahunin yung mga tao na hoy, wag ka muna mangutang. Teka lang, mataas ang ating price of goods, no? So, yun, it is the economist's way para hindi mag-overheat yung market, so hindi sobrang tumaas yung cost of goods. So, this can be another havoc, no, this coming Friday. Pero alam mo guys, sa tingin ko ito sa totoo lang, no. Sa dami ba naman ng negativity ngayon, sa dami ng mga negativity na lumalabas, kung ano-anong negativity, nasa sa iyo na to, no? I can only give you opinion and insights. Pag meron ka naman sigurong pwede, kung meron ka naman talagang pera na hindi mo kailangan, o kaya meron kang pera na uh, pwede kang matulog na hindi mo kailangang hanapin, no? At naghahanap ka lang ng pag-iinvestan. I would encourage you to invest and put your money in Bitcoin at this point. I will encourage you guys. Yes, it is extremely volatile. Magantay tayo hanggang bukas. Antayin natin yan. Extremely volatile. But if you're really willing, kaya nga, kung naaalala ninyo guys, ito pakita ko sa inyo ha, baka naaalala ninyo to. Just give me a second. Baka naalala nyo lang ito, no? Kasi ito binigay ko to ng libre. Ito. Okay, type number 1, kung naaalala mo to, ito yung personality assessment quiz na binigay ni Miranda Minor. Makikita mo dito, no? Kunwari ikaw ay naka 33 at 40 score. Kasi ang mga sagot dito is, for example, ito, ano sa iyo ang risk sa trading ng coins? No? Sabi dito, tanggap ko ang fluctuations ng coin at hindi ako gaanong naapektuhan. No? Tanggap ko ang fluctuations ng coin at ako po ay hindi gaanong naapektuhan. Correct ko lang yung spelling. Naapektuhan dahil alam ko ako ay kikita pa rin long term or 1 year. No? Kung ang iyong mindset is long term, 2022, 2023, 2024, hindi kita pipigilang bumili ng coin ngayon. From an investment, no, investment standpoint tayo. No, we're going to invest coins ngayon maganda kasi nga naka-discount siya. Case in point, alam nyo ba, si El Salvador bumili na naman po sa ilalim. Ha? Bumili na naman si El Salvador ng Bitcoin, no. So, gaya ng lumulutang na message diyan sa ilalim, yung text sticker ko diyan. I'm not your advisor, but yung in-apply nating permit in SEC, we can give trade consultancy advices. No? I mean, as long as you are an individual, ginagamit ko ngayon yun. I can give you an advice, nasa sayo ngayon yan, kung susundin mo o hindi. No? I can give you that advice, pero you need to get me. But of course, hindi mo naman ako advisor ngayon. Diba? At the end of the day, nasa sayo yan. Again, another thing na gusto kong sabihin is that kapag tanggap mo yung fluctuations ng isang coin at di ka gaano na-apekto dahil alam mo kikita pa rin ng long term, pasukin mo. Kung ganyan ang iyong level of risk. Yung risk capacity mo, ganyan kalaki. No? Isa pa, ano ang objective mo sa crypto trading? Magkaroon ng malaking savings sa long term. Long term. Hindi ikaw yung kumikita ka lang ng 1 to 5%, hindi ikaw yan. Another thing ito, yung experience mo sa cryptocurrency trading beyond 2 years, 6 months, nasa sa'yo yan, no? Yan. Gaano kataas ng savings mo ang pwede mong ilagay ngayon sa cryptocurrency? More than 50% ba? 5 to 10% lang. Tapos, meron ka bang savings ngayon? Okay, yung 5,000 or 500,000. So at the end of the day, nasa sa'yo yan. It's gonna be up to you to invest. But for me, ako sa pagkakataong ito, magantay tayo ng isa pang kandila bukas, no? Para safe na yan. Kasi baka tingin ko pwede pa itong maglaro within this triangle. Sayang naman. Antayin mo na lang din hanggang bukas. Kasi Lunes naman bukas, mas marami ang volume bukas. Tingnan po natin kung okay. Kasi nga may weekend FUD na naman, no? 'Di ba? Yung weekend FUD natin on a Saturday. No? So December 5. So may mga weekend FUD tayong tinatawag kung saan the market is reacting negatively on a weekend. Kasi hindi ka nga sure. So antayin mo na lang yan. Yan ang aking overall basa sa market today. Which tingin ko susundin niya ng ibang coins pa din. No? Ngayon, coach, bakit may mga coins like Matic, like Mbox or Mobox, bakit kaya may mga coins na positive ngayon? Huwag kang magpapalin lang sa mga ganyan. No? Bakit? Kasi nga, there is what you call a base effect. Okay? Base effect. Huwag muna kayong mag-ODR ngayon. Huwag muna kayong mag-buy the dip. Magantay tayong mag-consolidation. Sa mga intraday at mga medium-term traders, magantay kayo ng consolidation. Pag long-term ka, 1 year ang mindset mo, wala kang pakialam, you're not actually trading, bibili ka lang ng, bumili ka ngayon. Buy your coins right now, walang pumipigil. No? It's up to you kasi naka-bargain yung price ng coin. Pero, yung coin na yan, hindi mo gagalawin yan. It's gonna be forever in your wallet. Ako, tomorrow, it looks like I'm going to buy tomorrow. Maghanap lang ako ng isang napakagandang price. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be buying again. Mag-iipon ako 2022 na next year, no? So, malapit na mag-2024, mag-iipon pa ako ulit ng mga coins on this price. Okay, so let's now go with your questions. Let's go with your questions. Let's go with your questions on the small cap coins right now. Basahin ko lang yung mga questions ninyo sa display capture. Yan. Okay. Let me go and find some of the questions. Oh, meron nag-super chat, no? Crypto Island Coach, potential token. Ano ang potential? Sabi ni Dennis Oyaw. Maraming salamat din sa question na yan. So, I'm sure nakita nyo naman yan, no? Yung Sisla. I'm sure nakita nyo yan. Marami sa nagkalat sa mga MOA, nagkalat sa mga posters kung saan-saan, no? Let me give you my perspective on the technical charts. Okay, technical charts muna tayo. I'm going to give you my perspective on the fundamentals. Okay. Medyo, for me, napakapangit po ng chart ng Sisla. Okay, napakapangit po ng chart niya, no? At from a range or volatility standpoint, naglalaro ang kanyang presyo from 0, sabihin mo ng 1, 2, 3, 5-0 plus 421, and then 5-0 and 2797. So, from an all-time high of 421, humataw po pababa almost 50% price discount at 2797. So, it's actually a program na nilaunch ng isang international team of entrepreneurs, no? Iba-ibang bansa. And ang goal nila is to tighten the gap between the digital and physical world, you know, with the island as its hub and getaway resort. No? So, ang sinasabi dito, Crypto Island is a blockchain-based token, solely community-driven. So, it's the community who's driving this. Development will be guided by the community's choices. Yan. And it was launched ng ilang buwan, 3 buwan, August, September, October, November, December, almost 4 months. Meron siyang 1 trillion tokens na ginawa, no? Nag-burn na po sila ng almost 25% from the 1 trillion na ginawa na minint po nilang mga tokens. And as of today, there's a total of 513 billion tokens na nagsisirculate. 10% of the tax associated with each sale is redistributed. So pag binibenta yung token, 3% of the purchase pumupunta sa island, yung may-ari. Sorry, yung island. 3% pumupunta sa liquidity pool, 2% marketing activities, and 2% as a holder's reward. Yun ang ginagawa niya. Sino yung mga founders niyan? Si Dan Bauer, si Mika Mavinir, Lina Shevchuk, and Linda Satter, founding members yan ng Crypto Island Group. Okay. They are serial entrepreneur with an over 10 years of expertise. You can buy Sisla in PancakeSwap and LBank. Here's my point, guys. Ito yung aking perspective dyan. It's a community-driven token. Okay? Every time na bumibili ka or every time na nagbebenta ka, 3% will go to the island 3% will be distributed to the liquidity pool, 2% of all the marketing activities, and 2% as a hodler's reward. So technically, 10% yung nagigumabalik. So for me, bantayan natin to kasi as long as they are burning the tokens, then the price can go higher. But ang hindi ko maunawaan, okay, one of the things that I would like to understand with Sisla is what is their usability. You know, what is the usability? What is the purpose? What is the use case? No? So technically, ang pangarap nila, oh, you can buy and co-own an island, a private, kaya nga siya crypto island eh. No, you can buy and own a crypto island for this particular price. Okay? So pwede mong gawin 'yon. So ang nangyayari, ang sabi dito, because yung kanilang value, o kanilang core value is maging community-driven sila, it is the community that will drive the price. No? So ang gusto ko makita dito is, aside from the community driving the price, one of the things that I would like to see here is that parang katulad ng Catecoin o kaya katulad ng Dogecoin before, kailangan meron karoon to ng isang army. Kailangan magkaroon ito ng isang napakalaking group of influencers that will drive the adoption of this coin. Kasi if they're trying to burn, already they have burned almost half a trillion. Eh maganda yung ginawa nila. The thing is, hindi umaakit yung price kasi ano ba, para saan ba siya? What is it all about? Are they going to partner with the metaverse? Or are they just going to become a crypto island na nagbibenta ka bilang ako owner of an island? And that's it. So, ang pangit-pangit ng chart nito, nakita ko yung all-time chart nito. Ang pangit, guys. Almost 50% upon the launch, humataw pababa. Pagka-launch niya, ilang araw pa lang, boom, humataw almost negative 300% agad. So, pag ganun yung performance ng coin at hindi na siya umangat kahit kailan, no, never. Okay, magpadala sa mga marketing materials na nakikita ninyo. No, ang dali pong maglagay ng mga marketing materials sa Pilipinas kasi ang alam ng mga owners, marami sa mga Pilipino ang pwede nilang makuha. No? They can get a lot of Filipinos kasi ang dami pong NFT sa Pinas. 'Di ba? I think the government should, kung meron mga crypto island yan, I think the government should hold these people accountable. Para saan yung crypto island? Anong purpose niya? Diba? Anong purpose niya? They have good presence in Twitter. Nakita ko naman. No, in fact, give me a second. Nakita ko naman ng kanilang crypto island in Twitter. And tinitingnan ko naman sila lagi. Ano kayang gustong gawin ng crypto island na to, no? So, kailangan ko pa ng konting hype. In fact, sa totoo lang, halos lamang lang sa atin ng 5,000 followers itong crypto island. Tayo is 11,000, sila 16,000. If they would like to have a community-driven coin, nakukulangan ako sa marketing activities nila. Nakukulangan ako. So, yun ang aking perspective dyan. If you're going to put this on a portfolio, ang gusto kong gawin ninyo, huwag kayong maglagay ng more than 1% ng portfolio ninyo. Ito ay ilalagay mo lang as a decoration. Hindi siya magiging major investment driver. So, again, huwag kayong magpadala sa mga nakikita nyo sa mga labas na may crypto island, ganyan. Look at the usability of the coin. Maganda naman ang intention, nagsunog naman sila ng almost half a trillion, which means that they're burning, hindi lang sila puro minting. But I would like to understand it, kailangan ko pa ng maraming army to. Hindi ko pa nga nakikita to sa sa mga sikat na mga what's this? Mga word cloud. I don't see them yet eh. So yun, Denny, sana I was able to give you your insights, okay? All right. Question, mga SLP. Coach, Maraming nalulungkot na mga scholars on SLP because ang liit na po ng price. O ito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo Okay. So, of course, liliit talaga yan. Liliit talaga yan. No? So, anong gagawin mo? So, isipin mo na lang Pasko ngayon. Pasko ngayon, marami ka ring pera, maraming pera yung mga magulang mo, may 13th month pay, ipunin mo lang yung SLP. Huwag mo munang i-encash yan this month. Huwag. Punin mo lang. And allow for it to grow. Allow for it to grow. Otherwise, one of the things that you can also do is if you are a scholar, kunyari yung mga kilala kayong scholar, turuan nyo mag-trade. Teach them to know how to trade or tell them to stake. No, tell them not to know how to stake. Para kung di naman talaga nila kailangan yung SLP, or kung kailangan mo naman yung SLP, siguro 50% lang ang gastusin mo. Mag-iiwan kayo, lagi gawin yung ugali ito guys bilang isang bilang isang Axie scholar, parang gawin mong time deposit yan. Mag-iiwan ka lang lagi. No? Iwan ka ng 10%, 10%. Bawat sahod mo, 10%, 10%. Imagine mo, in 1 month, kunwari ang sahod mo every 15 days, no? In 1 month, nakakadalawang 10% ka. Tapos, in 1 year, nakaka-24 na 10% ka. O after 1 year nag-scholar ka, makakabili ka na ng isang mong team. Diba? Because nag-iipon ka lang ng SLP. So, 1 year from now, ang price ng SLP, mali mo, 5 piso na. So, lahat ng inipon mo noong January or December of this year ng SLP, magta times 5 ang laki. Diba? So, Axie is still enjoying the #1 gaming equity at this point. No? They're still enjoying it. I don't think makakasama sa'yo na mag-iwan ka ng at least 10% ng SLP mo. Yung iba, gastusin mo. Pero wag niyong ubusin lahat because sayang, tataas pa yan. Tataas pa yan. I don't think the price today will be long term. I think the price can definitely break out at aakyat pa yan. Okay? All right, let me look for other questions here. Okay, sinagot ko na yung SLP easy daw. Salamat. Salamat sa question na yan. Magandang opportunity for ODR bukas. Wag po muna. Magantay po muna tayo because marami sanang opportunity pero lahat po yun magiging magkamuka. Okay, magkamuka. So magantay tayo bukas, no? Magantay tayo bukas. Subukan ko mag-chart as early as alas 10 or alas 11 ng umaga pag nag-open yung Chinese market. Tingnan natin kung may makukuha tayo, no? Na pwedeng i-trade bukas. No, hayaan mo muna tong gabi na to, magpahinga ka muna. Huwag ka munang mag-trade. Hindi naman mawawala ang market, nandiyan lang yan. No? So magpahinga muna tayo. Okay. Let's go on other questions. Teka lang. Shout out kay Aserong Lobo. Hello, hello, hello. Sinagot ko na yung questions. Okay. Top 3 coins. I think BTC pa rin is going to be the biggest market circulation coin. Tingin ko magiging malakas ang NFT next year. Sobrang lakas ng NFT next year. Just because Facebook ngayon is investing significantly on metaverse. No, mga metaverses will be the name of the game, no? So, those coins na nasa NFTs mo are obviously Engine, Mana, Sand, CHZ, Axie, at kung ano-ano pa, no? Ngayon, another thing that you guys need to remember is next year, lalabas ng Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 promises an even better Ethereum. No, tingnan po natin an even better Ethereum. In fact, one of the great investors, no, kalimutan ko yung pangalan niya, but sabi niya ito, one of the former Goldman Sachs representative, no, or executive, no, sabi niya si Raul Pal, sabi niya Ethereum can be as big as $20,000 next year. Hanapin natin yun. Roll Paul. Google. Ayan. Yan. So sabi niya, by end of the 20 by next year, nahanap ko yung article, teka lang, i-tweet ko na lang to. I will just tweet this article para hindi nyo nahanapin. Yan, there you go. So I tweeted the article about Ethereum. So sabi ng article na to, yan, no? Former Goldman Sachs executive sees Ethereum hitting 20,000 by March. So meron kasing paparating na Ethereum 2.0. So pwede mo rin i-consider yan sa mga future future investment decisions. Okay? Future that's going to be for future investment decisions. Now, aside from Ethereum and Bitcoin, I think ito hindi ko pa rin inaalis si Ada sa aking mindset, no. Ang kailangan lang kasi ni Ada, nakita ko rin yung tanong ninyo, bakit naunahan siya ni Solana. Si Solana kasi, guys, it is backed by FTX, no. Ipakita natin sa inyo, no. FTX Solana. So you need to remember na ang FTX po is a partner for Solana, no? Ito ay yan, no. So FTX, formerly Blockfolio, Solana. Sino ba yung FTX na yan? Who is FTX, no? So si FTX is an exchange platform. Okay? Ito si Sam Bankman-Fried. Ito, yan. Si Sam Bankman-Fried, siya ay isang CEO billionaire. Bilyonaryo itong taong ito. Dati lang siyang he is one of the quantitative research analysts. And he's very, very smart. When he was 14 years old, his mother noticed he had spontaneously developed an interest in utilitarianism. From Stanford, California siya. Sobrang talino. Dati ang trabaho niya before is ito. He is he is actually a trader sa Jane Street Capital, no? So sobrang talino ng taong ito. Nagtayo siya ng sarili niyang firm, ng quantitative trading firm. Pinangalanan niyang Alameda Research and FTX, no, by 2019. As of 2021, sa sobrang galing ng Alameda Research and FTX, lumaki ng FTX, which made him a billionaire at the age of 29 years old. Okay? And by the way, he's a vegan, he's a nerd, no? Ganun lang. Mukha siyang alam mo yung bilyonaryo na pag ini-interviewan, makikita mo parang bata lang yan na hindi mo alam na bilyonaryo siya. He was interviewed in the Miami Summit. Mukha lang siyang bata pero yung boses niya parang highly pitched. Pero itong taon to napaka-bilyonaryo rather. So, FTX is engaged in Solana. And if you have a billionaire that's banking or backing up Solana, that's really, really huge. And of course, meron kang sariling exchange which is FTX. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. And meron kang binaback up na coin. Talagang lilipad at lilipad. Meron kang Solana art, meron kang Solana NFTs, meron kang Jagger coin, no, na Ethereum killer. Yun yung difference niya with ADA. The problem with ADA is that they have good partnership with good companies. Meron siyang charity work, meron siyang magandang summit na ginawa nung around August or if I'm not mistaken of September. The problem there is that since they have a new developed app, they have a new app or they have a new DApp rather, DApp. They need to have a lot of school kung saan the developers can learn their system. And they are currently doing that. Pero, para lumaki yung gamit ng ecosystem mo, you need to onboard and onboard and onboard and onboard and onboard and onboard a lot of developers. Which, ako nakikita ko ngayon, ang daming pumapasok na developers in Solana. No? So I think for ADA to go even higher, it needs to work double time on A, marketing, B, development or dApps, no, within their smart contracts. And letter C, I need them to remove Charles Hoskinson in the picture. They need to have an even better representation of ADA. ADA is old school eh. Ang ganda ng vision eh. Nakikita ko siya eh. Ang ganda eh. And it's it has its own blockchain, pero kailangan nilang bilisan. Kailangan nilang bilisan. Eh Solana, they had their own blockchain. Ang tagal din naman nilang tumenga sa $40, di ba? Tumenga sila sa $20. In fact, noong sisimula ako na gumawa ng video around May, ginawan ko ng video ang Solana. Sabi natin, oh Solana, Ethereum killer yan. For $39 pa lang si Solana noon. Sabi natin, oy, mag-invest na kayo dito. No? Because this is gonna be an Ethereum killer. Tumenga siya, pero blockchain na siya noon. So it's a process, guys. Mag-aantay tayo ng kanilang onboarding on their ecosystem. At tingin ko, pag meron isang pumasok na malaking-malaki dyan, then everyone else will follow. Parang vacuum yan eh. You know? And that's what they need to do. So again, what I'm just trying to say here is that FTX kasi is a partner for Solana. And kung meron kang isang partner, parang Binance, guys. Parang Binance. Sino ba yung partner? Sino ba yung... Di ba mayroong Binance coin? So meron kang BNB. May BUSD ka. And you have your own exchange platform. So kaya malaki. Kaya malaki yung kanilang market. Kasi nga, within their exchange, pwede nilang gamitin yung BUSD stablecoin to exchange. Ngayon, ang gawin ng if ADA wants to do this, meron na silang stablecoin, yung COTI, di ba? What they need to do is maybe if they would like to explore on an exchange or something like that will further drive yung adoption ng coin, they even better. Diba? Yan, si Hoskinson, billionaire din naman yan, taga Denver yan, taga Colorado. Very, very humble guy. Pero tingin ko kulang sila sa marketing. I think they need to double time their marketing efforts para mas lumakilala ang ADA. Ayan ang aking perspective dyan. So, I think Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, ADA, XRP, wag mawawala ang mata nyo sa lamang yan. Wag mawawala. No? When you try to put together all of your coins, at least one of the 5 meron ka lagi. Wag mong kunin yung buong 5. You need to diversify your assets. Tinuturo natin yan. No? So you need to diversify. Malagay ka ng one of the 5, and then you put an NFT. Mamili ka dyan, no? Sand, Mana. Mamili ka lang dyan. And then put one DeFi, either AAV or let's look for siguro, again, it's up to you yan, no? It's up to you yan. But ligay ka din ng DeFi. You know, you could either choose AAV or AVAX. No? Ligay mo yan. O kaya if you would like to do Uni, nasa sayo yan. No, Sushi Swap, nasa sayo yan. But basta put some DeFi in your portfolio. And then put an NFT and put one of the top 5 coins. Lalagay mo yan. Or one of the top 10 coins. So wag mong, kung meron mang maximum, tatlong maximum lang. Isang Bitcoin and 2 alternative coins or altcoins. Yun lang yon. Tapos lagay ka ng isang NFT, lagay ka ng isang DeFi, lagay ka ng isang meme coins. No? Or yung mga 1% coins mo yan. Okay. Let's now go on other questions. Pero medyo namamaos po ako Kasi may ginawa kami kagabi na medyo namamaos si Coach. Pasensya na kayo. Okay, ang ganda ng chart. Okay, let's do this no. Qubit. Let's open Qubit. Ang ganda ng chart ng Qubit. Maganda siya. Medyo hindi ko gusto yung market capitalization nito. Let's try to open it here. No? Let's look for Qubit. Less than half a billion yung kanyang market capitalization. Medyo ayoko ng ganyan. Ito. So, launch at 2021. Tingnan, medyo maganda yung chart na. If you look at the year-to-date, medyo maganda. I like this. No? Of course, what you need to do is to make sure na pasukin mo yung mga swing lows niya. No? Okay naman yung chart. We'll see. I don't think it's in trading view yet. Okay, so let's look at the okay, let's look at this. So available in Pancake Swap. Uh, aside, medyo alanganin ako sa market cap niya no, only just half a billion. Uh, Maganda yung chart. You can play this, you can trade this, pwede. Maganda yung chart niya. Ingat lang sa mga left hands and right hands. No? But I like what I'm seeing here. Medyo maganda yung chart. Mukhang nag-bounce to on all yan. No? Mukhang nagkaroon ng bounce on oras to. Tapos kunin mo yung bounce dito, then paakyat. Okay, mukhang magandang qubit. Okay. Let me look at the other questions. Okay. Alright. Ron, wag ka munang maglagay ng coins. Magantay ka muna. Please wait. Okay. Let's look at this question. Veracity or VRA, Crypto Magic. Antayin mo mag-bounce tong coin na to. Wait for this coin to bounce. I don't like the market cap. Medyo maliit, naliliitan ako. Let me look at their purpose, no? Okay. Veracity TV, maganda yung kanyang purpose. It's a aggregate publisher for YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, JW Player, Brightcore, Video.js, Kaltura, Float. Maganda. Maganda yung kanyang purpose. It hopes to expand its proof of view technology and data storage in non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Let me check who are the founders. Okay. Okay, meron silang proof of view protocol technology, the first patented protocol layer that produces precise, secure, and verifiable audience metrics. Maganda yung kanyang purpose, maganda yung kanyang fundamentals. I like it. No, hindi tulad ni Sis Island, hindi ko maintindihan anong gusto nilang gawin o yung crypto island, no. Maganda ang kanyang purpose, kailangan lang dito volume. This needs a lot of marketing. They need to market this. Maganda yung purpose nila eh. Of course, ERC20 token, medyo mahirapan ka dyan, mataas ang gas fees, yun ang problema dyan. For them to become a $1 coin or token, possible naman yan, basta they need to increase their market capitalization to almost 800 million para ma-achieve nyo yung $1. No? So, tingin ko dito, maganda yung purpose, pero ang baba nga ng market cap, kailangan yung itaas ito. Sana mag 1 billion coin to. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng maliit na investment na kakalimutan mo lang. Don't play with this coin. No? Maganda naman yung purpose. Kailangan lang ito magkaroon ng magandang marketing team that will help adopt the coin because maganda naman yung purpose nila. Okay? Coach, ano pong meron at bakit kailangan malaman yung market cap ng isang coin at circulating supply? May mga coins kasi na limited. There are coins that are limited supply and there are coins that are not burning, no? Yung mga hindi nagbo-burn ng coin. Kapag alam mo ang market cap and kung alam mo yung circulating supply ng isang coin, maganda yan kasi nakikita mo diyan kung for example, no, let's try to look for another coin para makita ninyo yan. For example, let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Of course, naka limited supply ang Bitcoin. Let's look at 1 year. Okay, naka-limited supply ang Bitcoin and ang kanyang market capitalization yan is obviously 1.3 trillion, ngayon ay 100 billion na lang. Sabihin, ginagamit. Pag ang market capitalization ng isang asset is malaki, ibig sabihin, the market or the public is involved or engaged in buying the coin. Okay, ibig sabihin nun, ibig sabihin tinatangkilik, ina-adapt siya. Pag malaki ang market capitalization mo, ikaw yung coin na may pinakamalaking access na maraming tao, no? And pag pinagsama mo 'yan, malaking market cap, small circulation supply or limited circulation supply, yan ang perfect marriage ng isang napakagandang coin. Bakit? Pinag-aagawan, parang isang ginto. Pinag-aagawan ng maraming tao pero hindi ang supply ng ginto nauubos. Limited yung supply. Yung fuel or yung fossil fuel diyan sa Dubai o sa Middle East, sila lang ang maraming supply niyan. Pinag-aagawan niyang asset na yan, maraming supply niyan. Pero, sorry, limited yung supply, they're limiting the supply, pero kailangan ng maraming tao. So if you have need, ginagamit yung coin mo, but your supply is being controlled or limited, that is the perfect marriage or perfect combination of a very, 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 very good coin. So yun ang sagot dyan. So you need to know the market cap. On the case of your stable coins naman, bakit importanteng malaman ang ang circulating supply and market capitalization mo? Because dapat for example, Tether, you have 75, let's try to open this. For example, Tether, no, yan. And then let's go on market capitalization. Makita mo yung Tether, humataw ito ng almost 74 billion coming from 75. Gawin natin itong 1 year. Yan. No? An average as of January 2021, nasa 21 billion lang siya. Ngayon nasa 75 billion na. Ang tanong lang naman lagi dyan is, ito bang 75 billion na ito, is it really backed by real dollars or commercial notes yan? Ang alam natin dyan, yung iba dyan, commercial notes. Binenta sa ibang tao. Kaya may kaso nga ang USDT. 'Di ba? Nakasuhan yan. So, ang sinasabi natin dito, kapag ang isang coin, for example, itong si USDC coin. Tingnan natin to, no? Si USDC coin, another stable coin. Nakita mo, sobrang lumawak yung sobrang laki. Sobrang laki ng kanyang trajectory pataas, no? Imagine mo from an average of 5 billion, ngayon sila ay already 40 billion. So yung kanyang trajectory paakyat, pataas ng pataas ng pataas. Ibig sabihin, yung mga tao, they're suddenly using USDC coin. Now, why? Because USDC has a partnership with Circle. And Circle is nagkaroon ng backdoor listing, nagkaroon ng SPAC yan sa stock market. So isipin ng mga tao, bakit ako bibili ng USDT na may kaso kung yung USDC is mas reliable? Diba? Mas reliable. Okay. Alright, Katecoin. I would love that you guys will buy Katecoin. Pwede kong i-endorse yan sa inyo. Pero ang gusto kong gawin nyo sa Katecoin, huwag lalagpas ng 1 or 2% ng portfolio ninyo. And then, huwag muna kayong pumasok ngayon. Okay, look for a very good position in Katecoin. Ayan ang aking gusto ko yung coin na yan, natutuwa ako dyan. Okay. Okay, Coach, according to CoinGlass, Binance BTC negative funding rate. Yan. May mga nakikinig ba sa inyo kahapon dito? Type number 1 kung nakikinig kayo kahapon sa mga sinasabi ni Coach. Guys, kayo ba yung nakikinig sa sinasabi ni Coach? Kasi pwede kong ulitin yan. No? Magandang tanong yan. Okay, let me know kung meron kayong similar questions. Yan. Meron kayong similar questions. Yan po natin. Just give me a second. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Let's see. Naka-negative na ba siya? Teka lang. Let's look at coin analyze. Tingnan po natin. Okay, actually positive na siya ngayon eh. Well, negative 0.00053 funding rate. Okay. Yung iba positive na oh. Ang bilis. Teka lang positive na ang kanilang funding rates. Nagpa-fluctuate. Okay. So ganito yan guys, no? Ito yung ibig sabihin niya, no? This is a very, very good question. Dennis, kapag ang funding rate ng isang asset is positive, no? Sorry, kung ito ay negative. Kung ikaw ay bumibili ng isang coin, kunyari Bitcoin in this particular sense, no? Okay. Kapag ang funding rate ng isang coin on the time na nag-close yung 8 hours, kasi 8 hours yan, no? Kung ikaw ay naka-buy long at ang funding rate is negative, pwede kang i-incentivize nila for you to stay on a buy long every 8 hours. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-short ng asset na yan, kapag ang funding rate ay mas mababa, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, pwede ka nilang kunyari, ikaw ay nag-short naman tapos negative ang funding rate. Then you will be asked to pay. Ikaw yung magbabayad. Yung kabaliktaran, yung nagbabuy long on a negative funding rate, sila yung babayaran ng funding fee. No, yung kumbaga ang trabaho niyan when you are doing the mathematics around it, ang ibig sabihin po niyan kapag ikaw ay nag-i-stay doon sa direksyon na saliwa sa market, so you're being incentivized because you're staying. Kumbaga, kinokontra mo yung market. So para kung gawin mo nang gawin 'yan, babayaran ka nila, magstay ka diyan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na minsan yung iba bumibili ng inverse. No, bumibili ng inverse para lang kumita. They're earning on the funding rates lang. No, kasi malaki din yan 0.00, I think 0.05% yan before. Ngayon bumaba na nga oh. Bumaba na 0.053. Pero make sure ito yung average guys, hindi ito yung totoo ha, hindi ito yung overall ha. No, ito yung average because nag-iiba-iba po ang funding rate. Nag-iiba-iba ang funding rate. So average lang yung nakikita niyo diyan. Yan. Yung open interest the same yun. No? Positive, negative. Open interest ibig sabihin niyan, ito yung open interest, ito yung mga unsettled funds, no? Ang laki oh. 42 billion pa yung unsettled ngayon marami nakatenga sa BTC ngayon. Unsettled futures contracts yan. Okay? All right. So scalping daw muna. Let me look for the other. Medyo bibilisan ko na kasi ang daming tanong, no? Ayan. So okay din ang Web 3.0 cryptos, no? Yung Kusama, Polkadots, okay din yung mga yan. So very good. Okay, sinagot ko na yung Veracity. We're good with this. I'm good with Eternal. Okay yan. Ingat lang kayo sa price ng coin ngayon. Shiba, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nung una pa, ito, yung kailangan mong laruin ng Shiba ngayon, no? Either you short or you buy long. Depende sa trend niya. No? If kung meron kayong Shiba ngayon, you use it for trading, not for investing. The same thing for Gala. Magantay muna tayo no, hanggang bukas. Starlink, kinausap. I actually discussed Starlink in the past. In fact, I think chinart ko na rin ang Starl. I think I also charted this, no? So, pag ganito ang iyong chart, huwag ka munang pumasok. No? Don't enter yet. Pag ganito ang chart mo, don't enter. Magantay ka ng confirmation no? ng pag-bounce niya here. Mag-aantay kayo ng confirmation sa bounce on this area. And then yung MACD mo napakapangit. No? Kung kayo ay magte-trade ng Starl, mag-iingat kayo ha. Mag-iingat kayo na mabuti. Antay mo na ng magandang bounce. Kasi nakikita mo naman, no? Ito ay nagre-range pa din. Nakikita mo yan, di ba? So, Yan, kita mo yan. Tapos pag tinanggal mo to, may 618 ulit yan. Take a look at this one. Yan. Meron 618 ulit yan dito. Sorry, this one rather. Sorry. May 618 ulit yan dito. So be very, very careful on trading this coin, and I would not recommend that you trade this yet until you see a major breakout. At saka yung market kasi, hindi ko pa naaaral ang ang correlation sa Bitcoin ng asset na to, no? Pero maghahanap kayo ng trend resistance breakout, paturo pa, it's actually still going down pa. So, huwag niyo munang i-trade tong coin na to. Okay? All right. Okay. I already answered Katecoin. Yes, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with Katecoin. Bilisan na lang natin, Bilisan na natin kasi marami tayong tanong dito. Baka maipunan tayo. Okay. IOST, medyo meron Mickey Mouse na chart. May Mickey Mouse yung chart niya. Maganda yung market cap, almost more than $500 million. Very good. Nasa rank within 1 to 150 yung rank niya. Maganda, meron siyang blockchain. Yes, gusto ko yung purpose niya. Meron siyang ilalim. 2018 funded. Kung 2018 ito, dapat ito magkaroon pa ng more adoption. No? Kasi mukhang magaling yung founder nito. Galing sa rags to riches yung story, organic yung kanyang pagiging milyonaryo, no. Gusto ko yung IOST purpose niya. Nakakatawa dito, proof of believability daw siya. Pero maganda yung kanyang purpose. Ang competition niya si Ethereum, okay naman. It can also be compared to Tron and EOS. Maganda yung kanyang purpose. So maganda yung fundamentals, pero ayoko ng hindi ko gusto yung current chart nito. Make sure na i-chart nyo ito ng mabuti. Yun ang ating IOST. Yan. Thank you, Aserong Lobo, sa question na yan. Yun, salamat, no? Warm lemon tea, salamat. Thank you. Yun. All right. Okay, 1 inch is a good coin. I like this coin. Wala akong problema sa coin na yan. In fact, maganda yung network niya. And I like the market capitalization is already on billions within the rank 100. At of course, DeFi. Pero if you're going to ask me if I'm going to choose 1 inch, I will choose other DeFis. Mas maganda kasi na pag ang network mo, for example, in this particular case, it's being traded in Uniswap, Bitfinex, PancakeSwap. It's traded in Binance, Coinbase. Marami na rin siyang market na tinitrade siya, no? But if you're going to choose your own DeFi, comparatively, mas may iba akong pipiliing DeFi, no? But if you're going to trade 1 inch, it's okay. Walang problema. But ang aking opinion lang, I have other opinions on what to trade from a DeFi perspective. Meron akong other opinions dyan. So I would rather choose other coins such as, from a DeFi perspective, I would rather choose AVAX or AAV, no? Or Uni. Pero okay naman ang 1 inch. I don't think there's a problem there, no? Don't get me wrong. I think they're also good. Nasa sa inyo yan. Okay. Let's go on. BTS. I think I already have discussed this in the past, no? Yung BTS na yan, yung BitShares na yan. I don't like the market cap, yung aking opinion. It's a payment network. Kasi kung pipili ako, I would rather choose Stellar o kaya XRP compared to BTS. I'll just rather say it that way. Kasi payment network sila, that's what they want. their payment network. So I already answered this before. Okay, what other questions do you guys have? Okay, ICX. Let's go for ICX. Sagutin ko lang to, guys. Nasaan na yun? Dow Crypto. I'll answer that. Okay, just give me a second. Ito muna, ICX. Okay. ICX, I don't like the market cap. Medyo mali. Well, pwede. Pwede. Well, yeah. Within almost 800 million, that's fine. From a chart perspective, para tong Shiba dati. No, parang Shiba. Napakalayo niya doon sa kanyang opening price. Kaya pag ganito nakikita ko mga coin, nag-aantay talaga ako ng trend resistance breakout. And I don't see anything at this point because the coin is pointing downwards. So from an investment perspective, hayaan niyo muna itong mag-bounce. Tumuro na pataas yung kanyang chart. No? That's my perspective on Icon. Sabi dito, Icon, Blockchain Transmission Protocol, independent blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum can connect and transact with each other. So kung kayo ay gagamit ng interoperability blockchain like Icon, I'd rather you guys work with the Polkadots of the world. Yung mga Polka bridges, Polkadots, Kusama. I'd rather you guys do that versus investing on a smaller cap coin like this. No? Okay, let's go on. Yeah, tama. AN Arts and Crafts Scalping. Correct. Tama. I've seen predictions from influencers, possible mong pullback ng 22. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so at this point. No, I don't think so. Okay, I answered Eternal already. Give me a second, guys. Okay, I answered Eternals already. I think I answered Telcoin, Jerome, before. Sige, ulitin na natin. Telcoin. Okay, Telcoin. I don't like the charts. Ang pangit ng chart nito. Meron ng double top to. Ayoko. Pangit ng chart niya. Good yung market cap. Good naman yung ranking nito. It's not for investments, guys. I don't think Telcoin is an investable coin. No, I apologize. Don't get me wrong. Wait for the bounce before you enter dito. Pangit ng coin. Pangit ng chart, sorry. That's my perspective, Jerome. Thanks, Jerome, for the question. Let's go on Zenith coin. Maganda tong coin na to, pero maganda yung purpose, pero napakapangit ng chart. Sorry guys, I'm being very honest with you, no? I will really be very honest with you. Ang pangit ng chart nito. Okay lang yung market cap almost half a billion pero global fandom platform that seeks to create a new ecosystem in the entertainment industry based on the blockchain and non-fungible token. That's fine, maganda. Maganda yung Zenith token. Maganda siya. Pero if you're going to invest on this coin, I would rather put your money in SLP. Okay, SLP na lang kayo. Okay. What other questions do you have? Give me a second. Sign natin. Okay. Okay. So, sagutin ko to, no? Coach, anong tingin mo sa lengthening cycle model? So, lengthening cycle model, para siyang stock-to-flow model. No? Yung stock-to-flow model. I don't know kung naabutan niyo yung mga unang panahon na nagpapakita ako ng stock-to-flow model. Ang trabaho kasi ng lengthening flow model, based on definition, ang sinasabi niya, pagkatapos ng isang price stop at ng isang correction, the time period for another bull market is pahaba ng pahaba. Yun ang sinasabi niya. Bakit? So for example, tingnan mo si Bitcoin ngayon. Let's try to open Bitcoin. Here. Again, guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo, wag muna kayong pumasok, ha? Please, wag muna. Wag po muna kayong mag-trade. Antayin nyo hanggang bukas, no? I'm not recommending you guys to trade at this point. Wag muna kayong pumosisyon. Okay? Type number 1 kung nauunawaan mo yan, please. Sinabihan na kita. Okay. So, at this particular time, for example, gawin natin itong 1 day. Yan. So, ang sinasabi niya dito, guys, ang sinasabi niya dito is that the lengthening cycle model, yung trabaho, ang ibig sabihin niya dyan, so habang meron kang isang price stop at meron kang correction, meron kang isang price stop, meron kang correction, yung next bull run, pahaba ng pahaba, mas tumatagal siya. No? So, if you guys will notice, after every halving, nagkakaroon siya ng bull run. Yung sa stock and flow model. Sa lengthening cycle model naman, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Habang tumatagal, habang dumadami yung all-time high ng coin at ito ay magkakaroon ng correction, yung kung paulit-ulit at paulit-ulit siya, mas tumatagal yung intervals niya. Matagal yan. Yun yung lengthening cycle model. Do I believe on that? I would like to believe na at this point kasi meron ng effect ang economy at ang meron ng effect ang economy at meron ng effect ang current events sa cryptocurrency. Bakit ko nasabi yan? No? Yung mga unang panahon kasi, unang panahon talaga, no? Yung mga unang panahon, yan. Okay. So, let's look at ito. Nakita nyo to guys, no? Yan. Tingnan nyo to mabuti, ha? Look at this very, very carefully. Yan. So, yung around February, yung price ng Bitcoin around March is at 9,700. Tapos, from 9,700, ano po ba nangyari? From 9,700, ito ay naglagas ng 67%. Okay. Ano po ba nangyari nung March 2020? What happened during this time? No, merong pandemic, of course, nagkaroon ng declaration of a pandemic, no? So tulad niyan nung March 2020, 64% yung hinataw niya pababa. 64% yan. Tingnan natin ngayon yung Nasdaq. Let's look for Nasdaq. Makikita mo dito yung March here. From March, itong same time period hanggang same time period ng March hanggang March 23, humataw to ng negative 29% tong index na to. Let's look at Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, guys, it is the same, no? For Dow Jones, the same thing, humataw ng negative 37%. So in my perspective, meron ng epekto ang ekonomiya at mundo sa decentralized market. Hindi tulad ng mga unang panahon, okay, ng mga unang panahon, tingnan nyo guys ha, look at this very, very carefully ha. Let's open Bitcoin. Okay. Open Bitcoin, let's go for months. Okay, maghahanap ako ng ibang charts, no, nahahanapan nito. Pero ng mga unang panahon kasi, walang pakialam ang decentralized coin. Walang pakialam ang decentralized coin sa ekonomiya. Case in point, 9/11. Diba? 2016 crisis, 2015 crisis. Mini crisis rather. Wala siyang pakialam eh. Meron siya sariling mundo before. No? But since nagsimula itong pandemic and nagkaroon na ng napakalalaking mga Bitcoin hodlers, hanapin natin ito largest Bitcoin hodlers 2021. Okay, tingnan nyo guys to ha, mabuti ha. Look at this very, very carefully. Ayan. Let's try to open this article at isipin natin kung bakit malaki ang impact ngayon ng mga institutions kay cryptocurrency. So, look at this guys, no? Ayan. Yung 10 na the top 10 na listed companies in the whole world na pinakamalaking pag-aari ng Bitcoin is MicroStrategy and Tesla and Square and Galaxy Digital from Mike Novogratz. No? So, ibig sabihin nito, kung ganyan kalaki ang kanilang hawak, si MicroStrategy, 1 out of every 173 Bitcoin sa kanila. Ibig sabihin yan, malaki na ang impact ng institutions at ng economy kay Bitcoin. Hindi tulad ng mga unang panahon. So, for me, do I believe on lengthening cycle model? For me, meron ng epekto ang market with Bitcoin. So, the bull run, tinuturo ko to from a correlation standpoint, no? Sa university natin. The bull run, darating yung panahon, yung magiging beta natin o yung correlation coefficient natin. Ang gagawin na natin ngayon, okay, one of the things that we will do now is we will correlate Bitcoin to a regular index. For example, S&P 500. No? Darating na yung panahon. Dapat nga we're using Bitcoin as an index kasi 42% yung kanyang dominance eh. Pero dumarating kasi yung panahon na pag humahataw na pababa yung stock market, nangyayari Bitcoin is already affected. So do I believe on the lengthening cycle model? I do, but for me, the bullishness of Bitcoin will now depend on some of the external factors. Okay? So pasensya na kayo if I'm lengthening my answer para at least meron namang sense yung sagot natin. Ito nagmamadali. Okay? Thank you. I already answered this, negative funding rate. Thank you. Okay. At teka lang, parang ang layo na po ng ang layo na ng mga questions. Wait lang guys ha. I already answered Telcoin. CRO, no. I don't think it's an no, I don't think so. I don't think it's an investment coin. No. It's a trade coin. It's a coin you can trade. Yes. I don't think it's a wise to hodl CRO because of volatility. Yes. Yes, mamili ka lang ng tamang Web3 token. Yes. Okay ako sa Web3. Yes. That's fine. What other questions do you have? Yes, exactly. Parang one. Oo nga. May mga ganyan talaga eh. Alam mo, minsan maganda yung coin. Walang kwenta yung marketing. Nakakainis nga eh. Ang ganda-ganda na. Sabi ni Leonard, parang one harmony yan. Baka he was referring to Ada. Na, diniscuss ko na yon yung lengthening cycle. Shout out. No, yan. Diniscuss ko na si Zil. Sige, daanan ko ulit si Zil. Sabi ni JRVS. Teka lang ha. Let's discuss Zil. Diniscuss ko na rin yung isang katabi niya yung Cocos. But it's okay. I discussed Silica already. I don't like the chart. Ang pangit ng chart nito. Paturo. Mayroong double top. Magantay kayo ng bounce on. Hanapin ko lang yung price. Okay, magantay kayo ng trend resistance breakout galing sa taas before kayo pumasok. Maganda yung basag niya pataas eh. Pero ang pangit ng chart niya ngayon guys. Antayin niyo to. Okay, magmadali. Maganda yung market cap niya. Gusto ko siya. Maganda yung kanyang purpose. Na-discuss ko ito ng mga nakakaraan. No? Meron siyang gustong isolve na business problem at maganda yung kanyang TPS or transactions per second. No? ZIL, yung kanyang native utility token to execute smart contracts. No? So, kailangan nito, pag mga ganitong maganda yung blockchain purpose mo, maganda yung use case mo, maganda. Kailangan to ng magandang marketing para sumikat to, no? As of 2021, sabi niya, the active network runs over millions of transactions each month. Blockchain has also been constantly scaling, going from averaging 900 blocks to 2,500 blocks. Maganda 'yon. Maganda 'yon. I don't necessarily mind. Maganda yung kanyang purpose. But ERC20 token, mahal na naman 'yan. No, mahal 'yan. So, yan ang mga nagiging epekto ng paggamit ng coin, napakamahal na gas fee, no? So, yan ang problema natin diyan, no? So, ayun ang aking feedback on ZIL, no, or ZI or Zilica. Let's go on. Okay. Waiting to be listened on Binance po, Coach. Ano sabihin nito? Crypto Magic. Okay, sagot ko na to. Thank you. Okay, just give me a second. Meron pang isang coin dito. Okay. XEC coin. I already answered it as well in the past. Sige, ulitin lang natin. That's fine. No problem ako dyan. XEC coin, no? eCash. Another ugly chart. Mag-aantay tayo dito, no? Umabot na ito ng 0.786 sa kanyang 618 sa kanyang Fibonacci. Okay naman ang kanyang market capitalization, nasa rank 100 naman 'yan. Kung ako ay gagamit or mag-i-invest on eCash, okay? Ako ay mag-iisip ng mabuti kasi I would rather, okay, sayin natin to, no? So, they have rebranded their version of Bitcoin Cash or ABC, BCHA, no? So, ito ay nag-rebrand noong July 2021 para ialis yung perspective sa kanyang predecessor na Bitcoin. So, ini-integrate niya yung proof of stake consensus called Avalanche. Walang kinalaman kay AVAX to, ha. Yun yung consensus niya, yung proof of stake niya, yung Avalanche, no? So, kung ako ay mag-i-invest dito, ito ay investable coin for me, I would rather go on a bigger cap coin. No, I would rather go on. Kung ikaw ay gusto mo magkaroon ng XEC, wala akong problema sa founders, maganda yung founders niya. Ang pangit lang ng chart nito tulad ng other charts na nakikita natin. It's okay, ang ganda ng market capitalization, napakaganda. I would rather 18.9 trillion yung market supply, napakalaki. I would rather look for other coins at this point. No? Maganda lang i-chart dito sa XEC na to. Tingnan natin ako makikita ko sa trading view. Kasi not all is in trading view. Tingnan natin. Andito siya. Tingnan natin, ha. Ito yung sinasabi ko dyan. No? Look at this, guys. No? Look at this chart, guys. Look at this chart. Nakikita mo yan. Napakapangit, di ba? Ayan, no? Wag. No, ako, wag. XEC, wag po. No. Wag muna. Pag nag one day ka dyan, kung nag one day ka, ang laki na ng binaba nito. So, no. Maganda to, magkakaroon ka dyan ng gamitin ko to na trend resistance kasi mas maraming nag-meet ng mga areas na resistance and support, no. Antayin mo na lang to yung basag niya dito. Kaya gumawa ka ng fib pababa. Ang pangit, ayoko ng ganitong to. Okay, thank you for the question, Paul, ha. Salamat, Paul Kasupanan. Greetings to you and the family. Okay, Coach, possible po kaya since everyone's anticipating BTC top and alt season, the big players, whales do the opposite? Yes. Hindi naman sira. Ugali lang ng mga whale na bumili. Kasi ang mindset, tatandaan ninyo guys, na in the cryptocurrency industry, Bitcoin is limited. So si Bitcoin is an asset na hindi binibitawan. kung nasa spot nyo lang yan. So parang ginto yan eh, kasi limited nga siya. So, um, ito rin yung sinasabi natin na merong control ang mga whales ngayon. Lagi sila kasi hindi tulad before, it's a retailer's market. Sinasabi natin yan, walang hindi katulad ng stock market, buy on rumor, sell on news. Ang mga tao, ang cryptocurrency may sariling mundo. Pero dumarating na yung panahon na apekto na rin ng cryptocurrency ng ekonomiya, no? So, kaya ang lalalim ng volatility. Kaya so, pag hindi kayo sanay sa mga 25% volatility, 'di ba? Sa stock market may ceiling play, kinokontrol. Pag humataw po ng 25% ang stock price, may ceiling yan for the day or may flooring. May limit yan. So for example, ito sabihin ko sa inyo. Ito, for example, sukatin natin ito ng mabuti. From here to here, for example ito, 41.5% yung volatility niya. For example lang, 41%. Sa isang coin, sa isang coin guys, sa stock market, sa isang stock market, may tinatawag silang flooring. Sulat nyo to flooring and ceiling play. Okay. Ang sabihin ng flooring and ceiling play, ang sabihin nito, kapag ikaw ay naglagay ng isang stock, meron silang tinatawag na 25 or 50% flooring and ceiling play. Pag ceiling, hindi na, kunyari yung price ng coin is 1 peso. So within the day, hindi pwedeng umakyat ng 150 yung coin. Meron siyang ceiling na nilalagay si stock market. Kaya minsan makikita mo, 150. The next day, magiging 225. The next day, magiging 3 point something. Kasi nga, ikaw ay pwedeng umangat lang ng 100 ng 50%, hindi ka pwedeng umangat ng mas mataas pa doon. Meron silang tinatawag na ceiling. Sa flooring naman, pag bumagsak yung isang coin, protektado yung mga retailers na yung coin, 50% lang ng presyo ng coin ang pwede niyang ibagsak. Or minsan 25%. So that is, yun yung trabaho ng SEC because we are a regulated stock market. Sa decentralized, walang pakialam yan. I'll give you an example. Let's open Algo. Okay. Let's open this, guys, no? And let's go for 1 week. Open this, no? Yan. Okay. So, sukatin natin to, guys, So, from here, itong candle na to here, kumita siya ng 92.3%. Gawin kong one day yan. Meron kasing one day na lumipad yan. Ayan. Nakikita mo tong kandila na to. Itong candle na to, hindi to pwedeng mangyari sa isang stock market. No? This cannot happen. For example, if you measure this candle, from the opening hanggang pataas, 68%, hindi pwedeng mangyari sa stock market, guys. Haharangin ng 50% yan. Meron ka tinatawag na ceiling play. Pero sa volatility ng cryptocurrency, pwede siyang mangyari because no one is controlling it. Diyan kumikita yung mga whales. Kasi kung weak hand ka, for example, sulat natin yan, if you are a weak hand, okay, tapos meron kang high liquidation, low margin, talo ka dyan. Because if you entered on the top, bumaba yung coin. Imagine mo yung pinakatuktok 2.98, nag-close yung candle 2.05 and it never went back. Lahat ng mga sumunod na candle was never even higher. So lahat ng mga bumili dito sa area na to, either liquidated na lahat yan ngayon. No? Because ang trabaho ng mga whales, ito weak hand, ano naman ang strong hand? Ang strong hand, sila ay very high margin, 2x, 3x leverage, very low leverage, or even spot lang. No? So sila, when they enter the market, because the margin is extremely big, it can drive the price to go higher like this. Ipapump nila yan for people to go in and buy, then they will take profit sa taas. Instant pera sa kanila yan. Okay? So imagine mo, if that part, lagyan natin ng volume, ito if that person bought, let's say, 100 million worth of algo, bumili siya ng 2.14 or 2.16, binenta niya sa $3, okay? 2.16, binenta niya sa $3, kumita siya ng 37%. So kung yung pera mo is 100 million, makinig ka mabuti guys, no? Listen very, very carefully here, para nalalaman mo yung gagawin mo dito. If you entered with 100 million, kasi whale ka you are a whale and then you earn 30% of that, 37%, you already earned $37 million, Panginoon ko. $37 million of a whale pumping and dumping. Diba? Bumaba eh. So meaning, may nagbenta din. Hindi siya nanalo sa taas. So mag-iingat kayo sa ganyan. Okay? Type number 1 kung natutunan, kung may natutunan at this point. Please type number 1 kung may natutunan. Type number 1 kung natutunan ng pumping. Mag-iingat po kayo dyan. May mga flooring and ceiling ang stock market. Pero po, ang ating cryptocurrency, wala po yan. Wala po yung tinatawag na ano. Okay? Okay, thank you Stephanie. Thank you for the type 1. Thank you sa lahat. Okay, now you guys know. Salamat. Mag-iingat kayo dyan ha, guys. Nako, ingat kayo dyan. Thoughts on Pi Network? Okay lang mag-accumulate ka. Okay lang naman tayo. Wala tayong problema dyan. Polygon-matic. Aldrin, Polygon-matic, they need to do a better job of marketing. Nauunahan ng Matic eh. Ang ganda ng Matic guys. Side chains, ang ganda. Napakaganda no? Side chains yan. Lower gas fees. Sobrang ganda ng gas fees nila. Kailangan nilang mag-invest on extremely good targeted marketing. Hindi ko sila masisisi kasi nga ang tao bumibili yan ng gamit para kumita. E ano ba yung mga almost guaranteed kitaan ngayon? NFTs. Bumili ka lang ng asset, investment mo na yan, you can earn. Play to earn. So yung mga tao, they will invest on NFTs. They will buy their own NFTs. They will not, unlike before nang wala pang Axie, yung mga tao, bibili sila ng mga coins, they will invest. Parang Jollibee. Bibili ka ng Jollibee. Ngayon, if I'm going to use Polygon as an investment material, as an investment asset, Polygon needs to do a better job of marketing their gas fees. Napakaganda ng kanilang blockchain. Oh, maganda yan guys. Diniscuss ko yan ng video ko matagal na, mga ano pa lang, May. Polygon-matic. Maganda yan, magandang coin yan guys. Diniscuss ko na yung Pi Network. Rose. Stephanie talaga gustong-gusto niya yun si Rose. Sorry. Hayaan mo muna tong si Rose, Stephanie. Hayaan niyo muna to. Low volume, selling pressure. Mag-aantay ako dito ng breakout, no? Pataas. Antayin niyo muna mag-bounce ito. Lahat kayo guys, gagawin niyo, mag-aantay kayo ng mga breakout plays, ha? Before kayo pumasok, mag-aantay kayo ng breakout plays. Kasi for example, I'll give you a perfect example. Let's go for BTC right now. Let's go for BTC right now. Okay, yan. Okay. Let's try to look for 1 hour. Okay, yan. Okay. Nakikita mo naman guys, no? Nakikita mo to, di ba? Ito yung gusto kong iwasan nyo. I want you to really, really, really listen here. Assuming na ikaw ay pumasok, hindi ka makapag-antay dito sa part na to, sa candle na yan. For example. Okay, listen carefully guys ha. Listen. So the price is 49,255. 49,255. sa lahat po ng candle na dumaan, sa lahat po ng candle na dumaan, okay, 14, this one. Sa lahat po ng candle na dumaan, napakaliit ng chance na kumita ka. The chance is very, 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 very small for you to earn, but the chance of you getting wiped out is also very high. Itong wipeout na to, this is extremely high versus the potential to earn. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng kulay yan. Nakikita mo to, di ba guys? So, kung pinasok mo tong kandila na to at di ka nakikinig sa akin, ito, tingnan mo, sasagadin natin to, yan, no? The candle, okay, the volatility pababa is almost, 2.78%. Yung pataas is almost half. So, merong 2:1 chance na ikaw ay mananalo versus matatalo ka. No? There's 2:1 chance. So what I'm trying to say to you guys is if you are going to invest on a coin, antayin nyo muna na matapos yung delubyo. Okay? What more kung pinasok mo tong price na 49,640? Kunyari ito pinasok mo, iakit ko siya ngayon dyan. Iakit ko yan, tapos iakit ko ito ngayon dito. Yan. So ang nangyari ngayon, yung win rate ratio mo, yan, gawin natin, yan, iakit natin yan. Meron kang 0.6% chance of winning and meron kang 3.54% chance of losing. Or when you go on a long position, pwede mong gamitin ito. Yan. You can use this. What is your RRR here? Pwede mong gamitin ito. Tingnan mo ha, tingnan mo. What is your risk-reward ratio? 0.1. 0.1 yung risk-reward ratio mo. Sobrang liit yan. Look at that. Yan. 0.15. Yung risk-reward ratio mo, ginawa ko lang manual kanina para makita mo ha. Para makita mo. Pero yung automatic niyan, yung iyong risk-reward ratio. 0.15. Wag kang papasok sa ganyang gulo. Dahil ang laki ng chance na matatalo ka. Okay? Alright, guys. Type number 1 kung naintindihan ito. Type number 1 kung naintindihan po ito. Okay? Wag ha. Please, type number 1. Sige. I would look for the other coins na sinasabi ninyo. Porto. Yes, Porto. Totoo yan, pero parang late ka na. Tingnan ko lang sandali. Parang late, medyo late na to. Okay itong token na to. Wala akong problema dito sa token na to. Maganda naman yung kanyang parang maganda ang marketing ng Porto, no? Ang kailangan kong gawin dito, itaas pa nila yung market cap nila. Okay? Itaas pa yung market cap nila. And kasi ano 'to, parang fan token ng Porto, no? So tama yung approach mo, Kim. Gawin mo itong tradable token. Don't use as an investable token. Tsaka oversubscribe na siya. Ang pagkakarinig ko, oversubscribe na. So trade to, not invest. Okay. Uy, 11:55 na pala. Nag-enjoy tayo ng sobra dito. Alright. Ayan, pwede mo nang pitikin yung ilong ko, coach, sabi ni Yancy Lu. Yancy, bakit? Pipitikin ko ilong mo eh. Bakit ka nag-trade ng sinasabi ko sa inyo? Kayo talaga. Sige. Alright. Ito, siguro idamay ko na to si Kokos. Mag-alas 12 na pala, no? Idamay ko lang si Kokos. Wait lang. Ang pangit din ng chart. Sensya na kayo ha, napaka-direct to the point ko. Napaka-direct to the point ko. Kasi pag unang kita ko pa lang sa coin, guys, pag nakita ko yung chart, ay nako. Unang chart kita ko pa lang, sabihin ko na sa inyo. Ito mo yan. Nakita mo to, di ba? Yan. Ooh. So, pag ganito, chart natin ito. Okay. Ang dami niya nang binasag, no? Ang dami niya nang binasag dito. Okay. Let me, volume, wala rin kwenta yung volume ng focus. Let me try to put indicators such as so, nung nag-breakout siya dito, nakita mo naman, no? Yan, nag-breakout to. Breakdown rather. Bumaba yung coin. You know? Went down even further. So, wag niyo munang i-trade to, guys. Wag muna, please. Magantay kayo dito ng ano. If you will do an intraday trade of Cocos, wait for this bounce. Kung mag-intraday trade ha, pero wag magsi-stay sa coin na to muna pag mag-trade kayo. Don't do positions. Wag muna kayo mag-position sa coin na to. Yan, yung 618 area. Pataas. Okay. Chart pa lang to the moon agad. Mickey Mouse yung Coco. Ako napipitik ate, sabi ni Master Clown. Sige guys. Ang pangit niya mapya. Mag-ingat kayo guys. No? Ingat po. Ingat. Oy, si Nelson, kamusta pare? Kamusta? Kamusta Nelson? Meron bang duty? Tapos na. Sige. Yes, I'm buying. Actually, bibili ako ng, baka bumili pa ako ng 5 Axie na team. Sabay kayo sa akin. Bibili pa ako ng 5. Long-term investment. Alright guys, so yun muna yung ating topic today. Sana nakatulong ako ng konti on small cap coins. Hindi ko nasagot lahat. Pasensya na kayo. Carlos, sorry. Shout out, sorry. PD Coach, sorry. Pinda Panda, sorry sa mga ano. Wait, Pinda, okay ako kay Kate. Okay lang yan. Hindi yung problema dyan. Basta sorry guys sa mga hindi ko nasagot ha. Pangako, may mga panahon pa naman tayo next time. I'm really, really sorry. Sana huwag kayo magtampo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ha. At ingat kayo ngayong gabi. Sana natutunan nyo yung aking sinasabi na wag po kayong makulit. Kasi kung ako makakalabas dyan sa YouTube ninyo, pipitikin ko talaga yung ilong ninyo. Ha? Yung may konting lambing, ikaw talaga. Gaganunin ko kayo. Ikaw talaga. Gaganon kita. Tapos, sitingnan kita sa mata. Ano? Gagawin mo po ba yon? Di ba? Huwag na. Sabi ko, huwag muna kayo mag-trade. Kasi nga, yung risk-reward nito, napakalaki. Yung risk-reward, wala. Halos, yung risky niya, yung risk of winning versus losing is very, 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 very small of winning. No? So, wag po muna kayong pumasok. Okay? So, guys, with that said, maraming salamat. God bless all of you. And thank you po. At ako po ay patuloy na mag-guide sa inyo tulad ng aking laging sinasabi. Iiwanan ko po kayo ng konting mga announcements. Yan. Konting announcements. Tingnan mo yung mga sinasabi ng intermediate class students. Yan, ang kanilang mga sinasabi about our course. Yan, ang dami daw aha moment, no? Super aha moment. Ngayon pa lang alam ko na ang galawan sa pagtitrade, the fees and the use of standard deviation in portfolio. May formula sa pagpasok sa trade, sobrang dami natututunan. Sobrang galing ng system, sulat na sulat yung bayad. If it's your first time to know our channel, welcome to our channel. And baka tulad nila, maggumaling ka na rin in terms of creating your portfolio. at lagi makikinig sa live ni Coach para you are guided. You are guided, no? So at this particular case, yan, congratulations, Intermediate Batch 16. And of course, kung meron po kayong questions or emails about the university, please email us at EliteUniversity@globalmirandaminor.com. And then, ako po ay magtatapos sa isang paalala. Okay? Sa isa pong paalala na gusto kong disiplinahin ka, pagalitan ka, sermonan ka, kulitin ka, at pitikin ka sa ilong ng may pagmamahal. Dahil hindi ako mapapagod gabi-gabi magpaalala na mahal kita dahil alam ko, yayaman ka, uunlad ka, matututo ka, at makakasabay ka. Saga lang, Miranda, papasaan ba? You will become profitable too. Keep on learning. With that said, good night. Have a good Sunday night ahead. I love you 3,000.